Hello everyone, welcome back to Tips to Track. Today's video is very important for all graduates who are aiming for a central government job. We are going to discuss in detail about SSC CGL, that is Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level Examination. SSC CGL is a national level competitive exam conducted by the Staff Selection Commission to recruit Group B and Group C officers for various ministries, departments and organizations under the Government of India. To be eligible for SSC CGL, a candidate must have completed graduation in any discipline from a recognized university. Age limits may vary depending on the post, but graduation is the basic qualification. Based on your rank and preference, SSC CGL offers posts under different pay levels, each with a fixed government salary structure. Let us understand them clearly. At the top level, we have pay level 8. Posts like Assistant Auditor Officer and Assistant Accounts Officer comes under this level. The basic pay is 47,600 and the total in-hand salary goes up to around rupees 75,000 to rupees 85,000 per month including allowances. Next comes pay level 7, one of the most popular levels. Posts include Income Tax Inspector, Central Excise Inspector, Preventive Officers and Examiners. The basic pay is 44,900 with an in-hand salary of around 70,000 to 80,000. Then we have pay level 6. Here you get posts like Assistant Section Officer in various ministries. The basic pay is 35,400 and the in-hand salary ranges between 55,000 to 65,000. After that is pay level 5. Posts such as Auditor, Accountant and Tax Assistant fall under this category. The basic pay is 29,200 and the monthly in-hand salary is around 45,000 to 50,000. Finally, pay 4 includes Junior Secretariat Assistant and Upper Revision Clerk post. The basic pay here is 25,500 with an in-hand salary of about 40,000 to 45,000. Now let us understand the exam pattern of SSC CGL. It is conducted in two main stages, Tier 1 and Tier 2. Tier 1 is an online computer-based test with 100 questions for 200 marks to be completed in 60 minutes. It includes 4 sections, General Intelligence and Reasoning, General Awareness, Quantitative Aptitude and English Comprehension. Each section has 25 questions. There is negative marking of 0.5 mark for every wrong answer. Tier 2. It is also conducted in online mode. Paper 1 is compulsory for all candidates and includes mathematical abilities, reasoning, English language, general awareness, computer knowledge and a data entry speed test. Paper 2 is for statistics candidates and paper 3 is for candidates applying for Assistant Audit Officer post. The final section and the selection is based on Tier 1 and Tier 2 marks along with post preference and document verification. So friends, SSC CGL is not just an exam. It is a gateway to a stable, respected and well-paying government career. If you want preparation strategies, subject-wise guidance and honest career tips, stay connected with Tips to Track. Like, share and subscribe because one right tip can change your entire future. Thank you.